Unveiling the Corridors of Power, a guide to understanding. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in news articles, books, and political discussions: corridors of power. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and why it's used, you're in the right place. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, corridors of power, refers to the places where important decisions are made within the government or other powerful institutions. These are figurative corridors, not literal ones, symbolizing the spaces where influential leaders and officials discuss and shape policies that affect a country or organization. When someone talks about the corridors of power, they're referring to the behind-the-scenes areas where crucial, often confidential, discussions take place and where significant political, economic, or social influence is exerted. The term, corridors of power, was popularized by C.P. Snow in his 1964 novel titled the same, The Corridors of Power. Snow used the term to describe the inner workings of British government and politics, giving readers insight into how decisions are made beyond the public eye. Since then, the phrase has been adopted widely to denote similar concepts in various contexts, transcending its literary origins to become a common part of English political discourse. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can enhance your English communication, especially in discussions involving politics, governance, or power dynamics. Here are a few examples. Discussing politics. The recent policy changes were likely decided in the corridors of power, far from public scrutiny. In a business context, the company's future direction is being shaped in the corridors of power by its top executives. Analyzing history. Throughout history, the corridors of power have often been inaccessible to the general public, affecting transparency and accountability. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, illustrating its versatility and depth. We hope this exploration of the corridors of power has been enlightening. Understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and helps you engage more deeply with complex discussions about governance, society, and influence. Remember, language is a powerful tool for unlocking the nuances of human thought and organization. Keep curious, and happy learning! Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.